Now the another sound of am or x. Am or x. Okay, x, am. Now come the examples of this. Here are some examples of sound of am or ax. Am or ax. Here are some examples. Let's read these words. Dam, dam. Dam. Jam. Mam. Gram. Pram. Tram. Now come to the examples of ax. Ax, wax. Ax, tax. Ax, cracks. Ax, fax. Ax. Okay, so here are some examples of am or ax. I hope you will understand this. Sounds word such as all, sounds of all, sounds of are, sounds of all, sounds of are. So let's start the examples of this. So yes, here are some examples of all sounds. AW, all sound, which are the short vowel. First example is j or jaw, cl or claw, or raw, dr or draw, s or saw, st raw, straw, l or law, sh or shawl, p or paw, cr or crawl. So there are some examples of O sound. I hope you will understand the sounds of these words. So now come to the another sound, which is R. R. Sound of the word is b-r, bar. How you pronounce this word? B-r, bar. J-r, tar. J-r, jar. P-r, par. K-r, car. St-r, star. F-r, far. Sk-r, scar. Let's read once again. Bar, tar, jar, bar, car, star, far, scar. Hope you will understand the sound.